Hey, HSEstudy crew. Hey, mate, imagine a summer day, sun blazing, sweat pouring, and a worker collapses, heart stopping, gone in minutes. Heat stress kills 34 to 50 workers yearly, per OSHA, and summer 2024 was brutal, with $1 billion in healthcare costs. Welcome to Heat Stress Horror Stories, real lives lost on the job. A gut punch look at workplace heat deaths and how to survive. We're narrating 3 true inspired tragedies, unpacking mistakes like no water or breaks, and sharing prevention tips to keep you safe. Workers, safety pros, employers, this is your summer survival guide. Grab a water bottle. You're about to learn how to beat the heat in 2025. Heat stress hits when your body can't cool itself, escalating from cramps to deadly heat stroke. Construction, agriculture, delivery. Any outdoor job in summer's heat is a risk. OSHA fines $16,131 per heat violation in 2025. But lives lost are the real cost. Let's dive into 3 horror stories, what went wrong and how to stay alive. Story 1. No hydration, fatal collapse. In July 2024, Javier, 32, a Texas construction worker, poured concrete under a 105-degree Fahrenheit heat index. His crew had one water cooler, half empty, no electrolytes. Javier, dehydrated, ignored dizziness, pushing to finish. He collapsed, no pulse, heat stroke. Medics couldn't save him. $20,000 fine, $150,000 lawsuit. What went wrong? No hydration plan. OSHA requires constant water access, 1 quart hourly in heat. Prevention tip: stock coolers with water, sports drinks. Drink every 15 minutes. A 2025 Arizona site's hydration stations saved 2 workers, $30,000 spared. Ask, enough water on your site? Story 2. No acclimatization, new worker down. In August 2024, Aisha, 25, started as a Baltimore sanitation worker. Day 3, 109 degrees Fahrenheit heat index, no air-conditioned truck cab. New to the job, unacclimatized, she wasn't eased into full shifts. Aisha felt faint, sat in the sun, heat stroke hit. She died en route to the hospital. $25,000 fine, $200,000 claim. What went wrong? No acclimatization. OSHA mandates gradual heat exposure for new workers over 7 to 14 days. Prevention tip: start new hires with short shifts, add time daily. A 2025 Georgia Cruise acclimatization plan cut illnesses 30%. Discuss, are new workers eased in? Story 3. No breaks, heart failure. In June 2024, Marcus, 40, a California farm worker, picked fruit in 95 degrees Fahrenheit heat. His boss pushed non-stop work, no shade breaks. Marcus, with heart issues, felt chest pain but kept going. Fear of job loss. He suffered a heat-triggered heart attack, dead before help arrived. $18,000 fine, $100,000 lawsuit. What went wrong? No rest or shade. OSHA requires frequent breaks in cool areas. Prevention tip: schedule 15-minute shade breaks hourly above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A 2025 Florida Farms break policy saved a worker. $25,000 spared. Think, got shade on your job? Real wins light the path. In 2024, an Ohio construction site enforced hydration, acclimatization, and breaks. 0 heat illnesses, $50,000 saved, OSHA compliant. Contrast that with a 2024 Alabama warehouse, no cooling, 2 hospitalized, $30,000 fine. A 2025 ex post praised a Nevada cruise heat plan, stopped a collapse, $20,000 spared. These are HSE victories: water, time, shade. Why do heat deaths happen? Neglect, no water, no plans. A 2024 Oregon farm worker death cost $35,000 for no breaks. Ignorance, missing heat risks, especially for new or health-compromised workers. pressure, pushing through symptoms. HSE flips this. Train, equip, enforce. Your prevention plan? Hydrate always. 1 quart water hourly, electrolytes for heavy sweat. A 2024 Virginia Sites cooler saved $15,000. Acclimatize new workers, 7 to 14 days, short shifts. A 2025 Louisiana plan, cut risks 20%. Break often, shade, 15 minutes hourly above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A 2024 Missouri break schedule dodged a $10,000 fine. Train everyone. Spot heat stroke, confusion, no sweat. Call 911. A 2025 Colorado training saved a life. Cool down, fans, misters, air-conditioned cabs. A 2024 Kentucky cooler spared $12,000. For HSE fans, heat safety is summer's core. Less death, more life. Your mission, HSEstudy crew? Don't let heat steal lives like Javier, Aisha, or Marcus. Hydrate, acclimatize, rest, beat summer's killer. That Ohio win, that Nevada save, they're your blueprint. Pause this, check your workplace. Water coolers full? Shade ready? Tomorrow, fill a cooler, schedule a break, hit HSEstudy.in for free heat safety checklists, OSHA guides, HSE Gold. Share this with your crew. One watch could save a life. Subscribe to HSEstudy, hit the bell. We're dropping safety fire weekly. Let's crush heat stress. See you safe out there.